Then.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
What is this, lesson 10? Lesson 10 quiz?
Yep.
Okay.
Do you want me to pull it up on the screen, or does that even help?
Yeah, that could help maybe. I'm gonna pull it up.
Phone number 347-265-6811. Who's that?
What was that?
Whose phone number is 347-265?
I think that's Catherine.
No, hers is 818.
No, mine's 818-517-6003.
347, yeah. Yeah, that one's Catherine, sorry.
Yeah.
What time zones are you guys all in?
Mountain Standard Time.
Okay.
What about you?
I'm in Texas.
Texas, fine.
Okay. We're all in Idaho and Utah.
Let's see. Fine.
Okay, I have to check on my baby for just a second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Working. He's doing school stuff.
What's this one?
I'm hitting the blender on real quick.
Okay. All right, I've got it pulled up. Is it showing?
Yeah, it shows.
Okay. So, did everybody do the reading and the homework?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so number 3. So how did you do it in your other group, Natalie?
We kind of had one person that liked to read all the questions out, and then we'd all just kind of do the work. I'll do whatever you guys have going for you.
Okay, we kind of are awkward, so we do whatever.
That's true.
Okay, so in the number 3, find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and n equals 25. Round to 3 decimal places. And so I was wondering, did you guys look at this already?
I got 16.45, so let me know what you guys got.
That's what I've got, 16.449.
16.4. And you got 16.45? Yeah.
Yeah, I got 16.
Mine's just to the 3 decimal places.
So 16.445?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because I actually got 16.45. So I don't know what the 3rd decimal place would be.
That's just 3 numbers over. And so you take the first 2 and then the 3rd number you just round up or down.
Well, I know, but if I were to do the 3 decimals, it'd be 16.450 because I got.
Oh, I get you.
Okay, so how did you do it?
I did 1.645 times bracket 50 divided by the square root of 25.
Okay.
What'd you guys do?
That's exactly what I did.
That sounds right.
But you guys got an extra decimal in there?
Yeah, I got 16.449.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, when you do it on yeah. Some calculators add the extra. You'll do the 3 places.
Because I have the scientific calculator. Or the graphing calculator. Anyway. Sweet.
Says for number 4, which of the following statements is true? Standard deviation squared is an interval estimator of x. X is a point estimator of mean. Mean is a point estimator of x. Standard deviation is an interval estimator of that's the standard deviation sign, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the x is equal to the mean, but I can't remember.
Let's see.
So, let me see.
Here's the magic. If x is within 2 standard deviations of the mean, then the mean is within 2 standard deviations of the x. It may seem silly to state it, but it is very important. So I think you're right.
Where the x is a point estimator? Or is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Gina, number 5. Yeah, Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation equals 113. She collects a simple random sample of n equals 64 and computes x equals 526. Use this for the next questions. What's the point estimate for the true GMAT score?
64? Or no, not 64. Sorry. 526.
You just took the x right there and plug that in.
Yeah, that's what the whole or the preparation is. Like, what is the point estimate for the population mean?
Yeah.
So that's population means. I didn't spend as much time on this lesson as I have on the others. A little bit more shaky on this.
Yeah. What is the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval for the true GMAT score?
What is the margin of error?
So what did you guys get for this one?
I am still working it out.
No worries.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Sorry. What is the margin of error? That would be I got 27.685.
Oh, I got that same number. I'm just subtracting and minusing it from or subtracting and adding it to the mean.
Wait, what was that one? You said
The
27?
27.685.
So which numbers did you plug in to get that?
1.96 times 113 over the square root of 64.
I did the same thing.
What was the 1.96 from?
When you plug in 95 confidence interval, you put 0.95, and then the z-score from that is 1.96.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know how to do that.
Oh, so we're not asked in this one to find like the coordinates, I guess. As some of the other ones, you have to minus it and subtract it from the number. Or
Right.
Got it. Okay,
Like
so
the number is
20
less than p greater than p.
685. So is that what everyone's putting for that? 27.685?
26, yep.
Sweet.
So
Oh, there we go.
the lower
So-
limit.
Yeah.
So
I
what you
got
get?
498.315.
Yep.
498.315.
Yep. The next one, oh, not P, excuse me. I said P and U. Should be the upper limit is the 553,685.
Yep.
What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
It decreases.
Yep.
Larger sample size is a smaller margin of error.
Yeah. What would happen to the width of the... Sorry, I have my wife laughing in the background, so I'm thrown off. Sorry. Sorry if you can hear her. Hold on. Okay, sorry. She has me starting to laugh here and I can't focus. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval?
Okay, so you have to recompute everything.
Would it increase?
I was going with increase.
Yep, it increased.
Levin says Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need?
Well, this is the fun one. You get to work backwards.
Yeah.
I got 245 36.862.
I got 246, 245.8624.
Yep. So
Is that
two.
you?
So round it up to 246, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, I think
Did
it
you
goes
ever
up to
notice that the
246.
example is wrong?
That what?
The example is wrong for rounding. It's like if you get 1.01.2, round it to 1.02.
Oh yeah, you'd round it to 101, right? I see what you're saying.
Yeah, that is weird.
It's like a nerd joke. Sorry.
No, you have attention to details is what that was. Says the mean salary. Oh, that's not reading. The mean salary of actuaries is mean equals 100,000 and the standard deviation is 36,730. You're interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with level of significance A equals 0.05. And OBU mean equals 100,000. HA mean 100,000. Collect a simple random sample of n equals 36 women's salaries and find that x equals 111,000. What is the lower limit of this 95% confidence interval?
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Okay. Did they throw in a bunch of numbers just to throw us off?
Yeah. I see.
Okay, so for the lower limit, I got 99,002.
99,000, right?
Yeah,
Then highest is 123,000.
round to the nearest whole number. Well, I got 122,999.
Yeah, so just 123,000 for the highest.
Well, it just says whole number. It doesn't say round up.
Well, can you repeat what you guys got for just the margin of error?
Say that again, sorry.
What did you guys get for the margin of error?
1.96?
That's what I got.
Oh, I did something wrong. Okay.
Times it by 36,730 over 36.
The square root of 36.
Yeah.
Tell me, what did you guys do again? So I got 1.96.
Times 36,730 over square root 36.
Yep.
Then
So I got
plus,
sorry, then what?
so that's 0.3266 times 36,730.
Wait.
I did 111, so 111,000 minus
Minus.
1.96 times 36,730
Yep.
divided by the square root of 36.
Yep. And then you pull down the 111,000, and you do the minus, and that comes out to 0.3266 times 36,730. Is that what you got to finish it off? And that's 111,000 minus 11,999.691.
Sure. I'm missing a step, but that's okay. I can go back and figure it out.
So I got
I got, when I did 1.96 times bracket 36 hundredths, or 36,730 divided by the square root of 36, and I got 11998.4667.
I
And then
got-
did you minus the 111 in that problem? Or did you just do the 1.96 times the 36?
Is that the only step I'm missing, is just subtract it?
Yeah, I think just subtract the 111.
yeah.
So did you guys get 99?
002?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was only, okay. You guys are throwing out so many numbers. I'm like, oh crap. Ding wrong.
That's
So
why
what-
it's hard to go over these. There's so many steps to it.
What did you guys get for the lower limit?
So it's 99,000, and then highest is 123,000 for the upper limit. Is that what you got, Madison?
I got 122,999.
Then we round to the nearest, so it'd be 123.
But that is a whole number.
Yeah.
So what did you say? 122? What?
999. So you just leave off, you would leave off the anything decimal, like you'd round it up, but you don't have to round the 99 because it's a whole number.
So on that note, what did you guys get for the lower limit one? Question 12?
12 was the 99,000, right?
Yeah. 99002.
Perfect. Okay.
So for 13, I think it is going to be 123,000 though. You say it's going to be 122,999.
2999. Okay, well, when I submit it, I'll do it that way. And then if I get it wrong, then we'll do it yours. Does that work?
All right. I'm going to leave mine at 123. We'll see.
Okay.
There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are
They're all of the above.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I put.
Sweet.
let's see if there's any I was.
Woohoo! 14 out of 14. We're good.
14. So
She's brave.
was the 123,000 not right?
Oh, you haven't submitted it yet? Whoops.
No, 13. No, because I wasn't sure if it was 122.999 or
Well, it's not-
122.999 or if it's 123,000.
So it's not point? It's
No.
just-
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for 13 it's just 123,000, right?
no, it's 122,999.
Oh, you're right, Madison.
That's weird.
Okay, that's a whole number. So there's no decimals. There's
Yeah, 122,999.
What did you guys get for number 5? I think I put the wrong answer.
That's what I was questioning. I think about.
526.
526?
That's what I put.
Oh my gosh, I put 64. Dirt. Yeah.
520. Let me see if I got them all right.
That's the first
Oh, I
thing.
missed one. What did I
It's
miss? Oh no, I got that right. 0.5. What was number 12?
99002.
Oh, I put 99,000 just straight. I didn't put the 2.
Because you're rounding thinking to the nearest like,
Gosh
zero.
darn it. 99,000. Okay. Oh man, now I gotta go put all these back in.
Take pictures of them all, and then delete them.
Oh, no, all right. Okay. Well, this has been a fun group meeting. I'm glad we got it out of the way pretty quickly.
All right, good
Yeah.
night.
Under an hour. I like that. That was under like 20 minutes, probably 30 minutes.
I really like efficient meetings like this.
I know.
Great.
Natalie,
Well, if you want to join us, you are so more than welcome.
yeah.
Yes, can I be a permanent group member with you guys?
Well, we have to give her the initiation first of she has to do the slogan that we made. I'm just kidding. You're in. You're in. You're in.
Sorry, nerd jokes.
Nerd jokes. Alrighty.
I fit right in. It's great.
I'll just include you in the group text from now on.
Are we doing the next one Wednesday at 5, right?
Yep.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, see you guys later. Bye.
All right, have a good night. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Okay, we are done.